Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fayetteville AR, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are looking at the space under your deck and how to turn it from wasted area into dry storage or a patio. If you have an elevated deck with bare dirt and dripping water underneath, this episode is for you. The first thing to think about is water. When it rains, where does the water go? On a typical deck, it falls through the gaps between boards and lands on the ground below. If that ground does not drain well, you get mud, puddles, and a space you do not want to use. The solution starts with controlling that water, either at the surface of the deck or just below it. One option is an underdeck drainage system. This is installed beneath the deck boards, but above the area you want to use. It catches the water, channels it into gutters, and carries it away. That allows you to build a simple patio or storage area under the deck that stays dry from rain above. It is a good fit when you like your current deck surface but want to use the lower level more. Another option is to build or rebuild the deck with a full waterproof surface. In certain designs, vinyl products like Tough Deck are installed over a solid substrate to create a continuous, sealed walking surface. That turns the area below into a truly dry space, which can be ideal for finished patios, outdoor kitchens, or storage that needs more protection. This approach requires planning from the framing stage so the structure supports the system correctly. Beyond water, think about headroom and layout. You need enough height to move comfortably under the deck, even after adding a ceiling or patio surface. Post locations, beams, and existing utilities all affect what you can build. In some cases, simple gravel and storage racks make the most sense. In others, a finished concrete or paver patio with lighting and fans turns the space into a second outdoor room. If you want help exploring options for the space under your deck, you can reach our team at 479-396-3705 or visit toughdeckbuildersfayetteville.com. We look at drainage, structure, and your goals to suggest practical solutions that match your home. With the right design, the area under your deck can go from damp and unused to one of the most useful parts of your backyard. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fayetteville AR.